Here's how I built a Death Star panel. Follow along if you're trying to build one yourself. First thing you're going to need is to get a panel from Amazon. It costed me $73.98. I'll leave a link in the description below. This panel's measurements are 5 foot 8 inches height, 2 foot 34 inches width. Here's a list of material you'll need to complete this project. I use this pine wood from Home Depot. Any type of plastic to diffuse the lighting. Staple gun, drill, screws, and LED lights. Alright, we're doing this the easy way. Line up the wood pieces to match the panel's dimensions and mark the cuts. I did 5 pieces all together, 2 for the top, which came out to be 2 foot 34 inches, and the sides 5 foot 8 inches. Then I cut the wood. Then I made pilot holes to help with screwing the frame together, then screwed the frame together. And one extra piece for the center that's 32 inches. I used some leftover flooring material that worked out just fine and stapled it down. Then I screwed down the panel to the frame, about 8 screws for each corner, then 2 more on each side of the panel. Last thing I did was install the lighting around the entire frame, sticking the LEDs on the inside of the panel. You can use more lighting if you want, this is all I did. Then I just plugged it up and turned it on. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend. Consider subscribing to the channel for more future content, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.